Welcome back to a quick intraday update. Right now, I have this chart of Nifty 50 index. It is a 30-minute chart of the index, and we got a clear move right from wave A, wave B, and wave C. And I have enough confirmation to conclude that probably the wave C is over. It got registered over the resistance trend line, which was plotted from the high of wave B, right around I think 16,273, the high which we posted on 8th of July. And since then it has fallen 3 waves, so that gives me a confirmation that since 2 days of a down move, the move from the X wave, the bottom which was formed around 15,500, might be over. So if the move from 15,500 is over, and if the move is 3-legged move, then I have to conclude that the wave Y is over. That means the intermediate counter trend bounce which we were seeing is over. So if that is so, then what are the levels we are looking on the downside? So simply, if I take a Fibonacci retracement and plot it from the bottom of 15,200 to the top of 16,273, I get some levels. The first level is the 50% retracement mark, which comes around 15,700. A little conservative level would be the 38% mark, which comes around 15,850. So that would be around 130 to 150 points range. So this is a very conservative range I am looking at if the X wave is forming. And then probably when the X wave forms, then we'll see if the X wave is formed, then can we again get a wave Y on the higher side, and then a bigger sell off comes with the decline in global markets as well. So that is what I'm looking at. But first of all, I'll wait for the break of this trend line. Since we haven't broken above below that, we have broken up below that on an intraday basis, but what I will want is a break below this level, which is the intraday low of 16,155, and a daily closing below that, to conclude that the price has actually confirmed a break below this XB parallel channel, and so the wave WXY is over, and a short term downward movement might start. Well, that was my take on Nifty. I'll show you the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is indeed stronger than Nifty. If I take an extension to see how much has it scaled up on the higher side, I'll simply take a XA extension plotted to the point low of wave B. Then I get a one extension level which is around 35,000. We have surpassed about that. Let me check 1.382. Well, we are close to 1.32. We might be more closer to 1.272. So 1.272 level is around 35,386, and 1.382 level is around 35,500. So that is a very aggressive thing on a Bank Nifty, where you expect a Nifty to slide down and Bank Nifty to outperform on an intraday basis. Such kind of divergences can follow. But to conclude that the wave C is over, I'll need some confirmation. For example, let us get a red closing, and if we get a red closing, or even a slightly indecisive candle, so what kind of candle are we forming on a daily chart? So this is a bullish candle, and if we somehow get a selling at the post 230 or 130, then this will help us form a bearish bias on the markets, or a break below this this channel line, which is exceeding on the right hand side, which comes around 35,000. So that comes a little bit down. The basic criteria would be a close above the day's low, which comes around 35,017. So that's almost 300 points on the downside. So if we get that, then probably I have to label same as Nifty that wave WXY is over, and we might see a short term correction on the downside, say towards 34,400 600 levels. And as far as the Fibonacci retracement is concerned, the 38% mark, the very conservative mark, stands at 34,200. So that's almost 1100 points of decline on the lower side, and the 50% mark stands at 38,000 33,800. So that is almost 38,400. Yeah, so 400 points more on the downside. So that are the levels which I'm looking at, and the lower move which we might see in the coming future might be just a part of X wave. Till then, thank you.